everyone. Sunwing is the manufacturer of artificial plants wall with over 10 years experience. Our main products are artificial hedge panels, the green fence and walls, and artificial pot trees. Our factory covers more than 1,000 square meters. We have nearly 60 sets of machines with 110 molds. The annual production capacity is about 80,000 square meters. We have been exporting to over 50 countries like USA, Mexico and South American countries, UK and also European countries, together with Saudi Arabia and Southeast Asian places. The annual exporting amount is around $20 million. Now we sincerely invite you to become our distributor to achieve a win-win situation. Please feel free to contact us.